Okay, so you come in through the door and you've got this kind of little hallway area here. So through here is the bathroom. You've just got kind of a basic tub and shower. And then L'Occitane toiletries, which is nice because at least they're more sustainable than mini ones. And then you've got toilet, sink, cute little wallpaper. And then out here, you have your closet, and yeah, quite roomy, feels very beachy and vacay-like. And then here you've got a nice big full-length mirror, a cute little bar, all of the standard kind of, and then in here you've got your mini bar. Obviously you've got to pay for all that. And then here you've got the bed and the rest of the room. So you've got a nice big desk here. I really like this space, and I like that like there's a big mirror here, so you could pull the chair up to here and like use it as a dressing table. And then free water. Oh no, oh, it's not free. $3 plus tax. Bloody hell. Oh, I hate it when they don't give you free water. Anyway, nice big bed, a chaise longue, and then the biggest disappointment. This is my view. I'm a gold Bonvoy member at Marriott, and I was hoping for at least a cheeky, like, small upgrade to a room with a nicer view, but no. Here we go. That's it. Oh God, I can hear the road. Damn it. But yeah, TV, and then this is the space. Wait, I'm gonna do a zoom out one for you. Here we go. Here's the space. I think it's a good size, to be honest. It feels nice and fresh. I like the design. It feels nice, kind of, yeah, just very fresh and holiday-like, really. Yeah. So I've just checked into the Cadillac hotel. So the Cadillac is part of Marriott, and I had loads of Marriott points. So I was, and like originally I really wanted to use them to go back to Australia, and use them for like a business class flight. But it's just my trip to Australia is all a bit up in the air in terms of like dates and that kind of thing. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use them for this. And yeah, my brain is gone. I need a nap desperately, but I'm waiting for them to call, for reception to call me back, because I've just checked in. I'm in my room, but it's a really, really noisy, loud room. I don't know if you can hear. There's all this noise going on outside. And yeah, it's also like the front of the hotel, so it's right by the main road, so all I can hear are cars. And as you know from my last hotel, I just can't deal with the noise. I just want to sleep in peace and quiet. And I mean, maybe Miami is not the best place to come if I want peace and quiet, but why are these rooms not soundproofed, you know? Oh God, I don't know. I just want some peace and quiet. I'm sick of loud noises. Oh God, I feel very overwhelmed. Like the sensory overwhelm is real. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to call me back. I want to go down to the pool and like nap by the pool in the shade or something, but I can't because I'm sitting here waiting for them to call me. So I'm literally just sitting in my room, doing nothing, waiting for my phone to charge. And I just hate sitting around doing nothing in the room. Like, why? I just want to go to the pool, have a little swim, have a nap by the pool, chill out a bit, and then come back, get showered, and go for dinner. That's what I want to do. So yeah. Anyway, oh my God, the TV just turned itself on. God, hang on. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna have a nap so that I'm not cranky tonight when we go for dinner and clubbing. And I will see you guys later. Bye.